Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare spirulina powder. To begin, gather your spirulina powder and a liquid of your choice, such as water, juice, or a smoothie. Measure out 1 to 2 teaspoons of spirulina powder. This amount is generally recommended for daily consumption to enjoy its many health benefits. Ensure your liquid is at room temperature or cold for optimal mixing and to preserve nutrients. For the best experience, blending spirulina into a smoothie is highly recommended. The other ingredients help mask its distinct flavor. If using juice or water, add the powder gradually while stirring vigorously to prevent clumps. A small whisk or a shaker bottle can be very effective. Remember, never mix spirulina with hot liquids, as high temperatures can degrade its beneficial nutrients and enzymes, reducing its effectiveness. Spirulina has a unique, earthy taste that some find strong. To enhance the flavor, try combining it with fruits like pineapple, banana, or berries in your smoothie. A squeeze of fresh lemon or lime juice can also help cut through the earthiness, making it more palatable. It's best to drink your spirulina mixture immediately after preparation to prevent the powder from settling and to enjoy it at its freshest. Proper storage is crucial to maintain the potency and freshness of your spirulina powder. Always keep it in an airtight container, away from direct sunlight and heat. A cool, dark pantry or cupboard is ideal. This helps prevent oxidation and moisture absorption, ensuring your spirulina remains effective for longer. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.